Hello, back again on the fz07, back at the spot. I do have a little update on the bike, just kind of some visual stuff you might be able to see right there actually. But I got my cages painted so they match. It's just Rust-Oleum spray paint until I am ready to get everything powder coated. But yeah, bike's starting to look pretty good. Still need to get that titanium. I got that ordered, but probably gonna be a while till it gets here. And I got the blue brake line ordered too, but that ain't gonna be here till Monday. Today is Saturday. So yeah, that's it. Just kind of here practicing, like always. What the fuck is that? A twisted T. Well, fuck. That wasn't what I wanted, but alright. Another car here driving real slow. I don't want to be zooming past him or nothing. So I will wait a moment. Looks like they're probably gonna stop in the middle of the road, but whatever. Better than them fucking street racing over here. All right. Man, that was just bad. What's the deal there? maybe some double peggers. Not super great with the turning, but getting there. Why there's so many fucking cans out in the road? Definitely getting the hang of the double peggers. That's cool. A lot of people say double peggers are super gay, but I don't care. I am definitely using double peggers just as the easiest means to get some feel for this handbrake, get used to standing up on this bike, because it's scary. Very scary. That was a good one. I am getting to the point where I can double pegger all the way across the lot. That's cool. Going too fast. Oh man, fucking double peggers are scary. Oh man. A little seat stander there. I guess we could do one more. scared. Man, if you're learning wheelies, one thing to keep in mind is every single time you come out and practice, there is a possibility that you're getting hurt. And you really do have to focus every bit of your energy all the time on not crashing. One crash really puts a damper on progress if you can't get back out here and keep going. Let's do some first gear stuff. Gotta keep it slower. Dusty. Alright guys, getting a little more comfortable with the double peggers, a little more comfortable with the seat standers too. Foot is healing up pretty fucking good. I can't quite walk normal yet, but I say another week and it'll probably be about back to normal. I still have a little bit of pain here and there, but not too bad. So yeah, healing up good. That's fucking great. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one, guys. We up at like 350 subscribers now, so that's fucking awesome. Shout out to all of y'all who keep watching. Thank you and peace.